everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my latest roundup of Amazon favorites, and I gotta be honest, these are not all of them. I have bought many things since I filmed my last video. Like, I keep a list, like a note in my phone of like all my videos, like favorites, whatever it may be, and I always just add to it as like the month progresses or as I get more things. And in this case, this list started like pretty much immediately after my last Amazon favorites video was posted last year. So it's been over 6 months of like products, and like I said, I'm not even gonna touch on all of them because it would be way too long. So let me know if you're interested in a part 4, which I definitely feel like I will be filming. But for now, these are the products that I wanted to talk about today, the things I really have been using for quite a long time. So if you guys want to see all of my Amazon favorites or my latest round of Amazon favorites, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so the first product I had on here was this guy right here. Now, this is a very interesting contraption. It is a self-tanner mitt. You guys know that the typical self-tanner mitt, just like a glove, and then you go like this with your product, your mousse, your spray, whatever it may be. This is a game changer because if you're someone who wants to just tan your back, and obviously you can't like reach back there with like a normal mitt like this, you just take this and then you freaking, I'll demonstrate for you. Sorry, don't mind the color coordination. I'm not going out like this. I just this is my at-home outfit, and then I just throw these earrings because they were fun. Anyway, I'm changing. I'm going out to dinner, but I'm changing. You take this thing here, and it's so easy. You just put your product on, and sorry, this demonstration is so whack, but you just like are able to move the product around any which way, and it is so convenient and so handy. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. I haven't self-tanned in a long time because I've just been naturally getting tan from sitting outside every day in the sun, but this is a game changer for self-tanner application. I'm serious. It's so soft. It distributes the product so well. It has the handles that's so convenient for you to pull around and really like evenly make sure you don't have like a streaky application. And it's the same material as something like this. So it's that same like self-tanner glove material. Very nice, very cheap. It was under $10 and a total must-have. I absolutely love this thing, and I can't live without it now. You can fold it up so easily. It's so compact. Chef's kiss. This is another product that I absolutely love. This is a brush holder. It zips up so that it's very compact. You can see as I zip it shut, it's very thin and slim, so it's very easy to travel with, very easy to pack in your bag, whatever it may be. But what's great about this is that it opens and it stands up, so you can put all your brushes in here, and it fits a lot of brushes. Like, I can fit pretty much all of my face brushes in here and then some. I'm just like throwing in them all willy-nilly so that you can see how many it actually can store. And I could just honestly keep going. This can fit so many. Like, when you travel, like, look how many brushes it fits, and it goes like way back here. So this is really handy. I really haven't gone that many places, but this is definitely something that I have been using when I did travel, whether it was to Miami back in February or to LA, like for like weekend trips or, you know, for work or whatever it may be.
My nose been running this entire time.
Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, this is an awesome product. And I love that when you are traveling and you are doing your makeup, let's say like in a hotel bathroom or whatever it may be, it stands up so that way you just have your brushes like on the counter like this, and you can just pluck it up. Nothing makes me more frustrated or like more anxious. That's exaggerating. Obviously several things make me more anxious than this, but when your brushes are like sprawled out all over the countertop because like you just have them packed in and then you have to like throw them all in, it's great because whenever you do your makeup, they can all live in here and stay in here. You can just pluck them out. It seems like a very insignificant difference, but trust me, it makes a world of a difference, and I absolutely love it, and it's definitely a must-have and also very inexpensive. I believe I got it for like $8 or $9. Okay, this is probably the biggest game changer.
Well, I love all of these,
but this has got to be like one of the most significant products I've ever used. And I spoke about this in my work from home essentials video, which I will link down below. But basically, this is a phone stand, and this is by the brand OMOTON. I will have all of the names of the products listed down below, like by their Amazon description, so that way you can just like copy the entire thing and then paste it into Amazon, and it's right there for you. But this is basically a phone stand. I keep this on my desk when I'm working, so I have my phone like propped up here. And I love it for FaceTiming. I love it for filming TikToks. It is so versatile, and it comes in a couple different colors, but I got silver, and I love that it rotates like all the way back like this. I mean, you wouldn't really need it all the way back like this, I don't think, but depending if you want to adjust your angle when you're on camera. It's so easy to do. It's not a flimsy kind of mechanism. It just stays put wherever you want it to stay. It stays firmly there and you don't have to worry about your phone moving. It's got little grips on the little feetsies right here. This is just a great product and I really, really like it because it's made things so much easier for me, as weird as that may sound with like having your phone like propped up. I don't know. It's very, very convenient and I can't live without this now. I use it every single day. Another thing I use every single day, this guy right here. This is like a key ring and it comes in several different colors. Basically, it comes with a little tassel and a little gold key ring. Obviously, all of these are like my keys and stuff separate, but I love this because I can just wear it at the door. If I don't want to bring my purse or whatever it may be, I just need to go outside, I just have my keys on like this. So many times when I just had my keys on its own little key ring, I would have to like worry about like how I'm going to carry my phone and my keys in my hand. I would have like this in my hand and then I wouldn't be able to hold my phone, or if I was like bringing up groceries, like I would have to like dig through my purse for my keys and not like know where they were. But having this on my wrist and keeping it on my wrist, it just makes things so much more convenient. And it's one of those things you honestly don't know you need until you have it and you're like, oh, I can't live without it. I saw this go around on TikTok. A couple TikTokers I follow were using this and I was like, okay, I have to get it. And I just hang it up by my front door. It's so easy for me to grab. And honestly, Amazon and all these products, fun fact, I actually wrote a whole paper in college about how everything in our life is centered on convenience, and I got an A+ on it, and I was very proud because I didn't know A+s were a thing in college, but I got an A+ on it because I was like just spewing my everyday thoughts and all the ruminations and stuff that like goes through my head about how our entire society and the whole premise of Amazon was built on convenience. And so to get off my soapbox, this is a really great product. And yes, it definitely adds to the convenience factor in our lives, which isn't a bad thing necessarily being the operative word there. But they've got a bunch of different colors, and I personally got this one because this is my favorite color. It's like seafoam mint green. Like, this is my favorite color, and it's so fun and so convenient. I absolutely cannot live without it. I mean, I probably could live without it. I just would prefer not to. Speaking of fun colors and the teal, oh my god, it matches my nails, family, I also think I mentioned this in my work from home video, but I wanted to mention it in this video as well because it truly is like an Amazon favorite. And I say that specifically because I haven't seen this planner anywhere else besides Amazon. This is a weekly and monthly planner, and I'm very picky about my planners. I wanted to get a big like regular letter 8.5 by 11. I think this is 8.5 by 11, or maybe it's 8.5 by 10, larger size planner because I am constantly using it. I'm a very like planner calendar oriented girl. I have my calendar in like 3 different places. I write it on my whiteboard, I write it in my planner, and then I write it in my phone. So I keep like it in all different places. I love that. But mainly I keep this for like to-dos, for when it comes to work, and you know, like things around the house, like hybrid stuff. Mainly I use this for work, but I love it because it has lines. It's got like a monthly view. You can see, for example, this was like May, you have like a whole monthly view. And then I love that the weekly spread looks like this, so that you can see the entire week. You have ample room to write like what you're doing during the day and then your to-do. That is the most important part of a planner to me, and it's something that I felt a lot of planners lack. They usually just have one like line straight across, or they have like calendar time slots, but it's like my days don't always start and end at the same time. I don't find those calendars to be useful because I have like a digital calendar, whether it's my work calendar or my home calendar. So I just like a more arbitrary kind of like line of like, oh, like what's going on during the day, or like what I'm planning on doing. And then I have a place where I can write my to-dos. This is awesome, and I love the color scheme. They have a lot of other different color varieties, and pretty much for every product I'm talking about, well, you'll notice a lot of them have like different color varieties or different options so that you don't have to buy exactly the one that I love. But this is great, and I would definitely recommend this planner. It's got a nice thicker stock cover, and I just love the marbling, and it's a great planner for us organized folk. This is something that I have spoken about, and I use this in my Hot Girl Summer Get Ready With Me, where I talk about how I'm taking the hair challenge. I will link that video above and below as well. These are lashes. These are the Wiwoseo false eyelashes 14 pairs pack. You get 14 pairs for $9.99, like $10, and these are actually really good quality lashes. Now, I got the 15 millimeter ones. I think they go up to 19 millimeters. I could be wrong, but these were the most natural ones out of all 3. You can tell they're very dramatic, but as you saw when I applied them in that video, I was so impressed by how easily they applied. Now, I will say, since that video, I definitely have used these a few times, and the one thing I will say is that you have to be careful where you trim it. Otherwise, it can look very harsh if you don't trim it in the exact spot, because it kind of looks like too pointy on one side. But that aside, the lashes themselves are very beautiful, very fluttery, very wispy, and for my eyes, I definitely feel like they do compliment them a lot, because they are very long and dramatic, but they're not the ones where they look like curtains, because there is that nice wispiness, that nice separation. It still very much is flattering for your eyes, but it's definitely a more dramatic moment for me, in my opinion. These are not like everyday lashes by any means. These are like going out to the club, kind of like statement lash. But they're beautiful, and like I said, these were the most natural out of all of them, but if you want to check out the other varieties, they have them there as well. Okay, this is something that honestly I've been using pretty much every single day, and these are not even all the colors. I know claw clips are all the rage these days, but I sincerely use this like every single day. When I'm doing my morning skincare routine, I will just throw up my hair like this, tight like this, and wear it like that when I'm working all day. It's so comfortable. It's so much easier on your hair than like a hair tie. Again, I will list the exact title of this product down below, but these are claw clips that come in a pack of like 6 or 7 different colors. They have a black as well, which I have in my car, but these are all the ones that I just pulled out randomly from my bathroom. I love them. I love the fun pastel colors. You can mix and match it with any look. I love that the style is back in. It really is like flattering. It's very like casual, cute, but actually very comfortable. Like I wear this in my hair, like I said, when I'm working all day, and it doesn't like tug at my hair the way that like regular hair ties would if I had it up in a ponytail. But I love how like durable these are. Very 90s vibes, but definitely more comfortable than the claw clips that I remember from back in the day. Like they're more rounded at the tip. I don't know if you can see. They're not that sharp pointed edge that really digs into your scalp. These definitely hold your hair up really well without digging in and making it super uncomfortable. And I'm someone with really like thick, slippery hair. I love the style. I love how comfortable it is, and it's definitely become an everyday essential for me for sure. Okay, this is something that's not an everyday essential for me, but it's definitely something that I don't have anything else of, and it's something that I really do like. And this is the Conair fabric defuzzer. Now, I learned about this product on TikTok. This is great for when when you wash like a pair of Lululemons or any other kind of like athletic short of that material, and you get that pilling in the crotch area or wherever it may be. This solves that, like for real. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate right here. So these are a pair of Lulus. These are like kind of like Spanx that you would wear, and you can see that it has pilling right here. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna demonstrate. I feel like I'm on QVC right now. But watch, this shit actually works. Look, all gone, all gone. Well, besides, I mean, there's like debris and stuff from my dog. I'm gonna shake it up. But you saw, there was like a lot right there. I pretty much got rid of like 90% of it. And I could just keep going, honestly, but I really wanted to show you the most like concentrated area. But this really works, and I could not be more thrilled, honestly. It works on even my couch. Like my couch is like a chenille fabric, I think that's how you call it, and that can pill also. And I just take this and I just go on that, and it doesn't like hurt the couch. It doesn't hurt the material at all. It's not tearing it. It really is just lifting the pilling from the surface, and it's just like, it's smooth underneath. It's so good. I love it so much. Now, obviously you don't have to get this exact brand, but I got it because I like the handle, had good reviews, it was inexpensive, and I love the color. I love the color. It's great, and definitely a necessity, and I definitely wanted to mention it in today's video because I do use it quite often, and it's such a cool product that I feel like you wouldn't have thought of getting. TikTok definitely made me buy that one for sure. Okay, I have 3 more products, one of which is the Basic Concepts Acne Patches with tea tree oil and hydrocolloid. Now, I wanted to mention this because I have spoken about how I like the Mighty Patches, which are like the pimple patches, but I've also said that you can get more affordable alternatives on Amazon, and I believe I've spoken about maybe another one, maybe in one of these videos or something, but this is another one that I wanted to mention. I believe is a small family-owned business, and you get a lot of sheets in here. So, for example, you get 120 sheets, and like pimple patches, they promote skin healing, they reduce redness, they protect you from dirt and other contaminants, and they flatten your acne. So I personally used these like last night. This is a brand new sealed pouch. You can see I've got a bunch of different sizes. In here, you've got like a small, medium, and large size, which I really, really love because sometimes I have a really large zit, sometimes I have a really small zit, sometimes I have a small cluster of like whiteheads and I'll just put a large one on top. But I really like this because I definitely do see a difference and you get great value with this product. And I wanted to give it a shout out because I love that it has tea tree oil because that is a really great kind of like antibacterial acne fighting ingredient. And I use this all the time. I literally used it last night. It's the most satisfying thing in the morning. I swear I will like force myself to wake up and I'm like, oh, I can't wait to just take this off my face, and I'll just peel it off. I'm like, so satisfying. But anyway, I really do like these. Shout out to this company, Basic Concepts. I think that's the name. If you want pimple patches, I'm not saying they're better than Mighty Patch, but they're definitely more affordable. And yeah, you get a lot of different sizes and good ingredients, and I definitely see results. Okay, two more products. This is another one that I use pretty much every single day. And the reason why I'm apologizing to my neighbors virtually because this is a karaoke mic that I cannot live without. And it's funny because I was actually just telling my friend to get one so that he and I could like sing karaoke together. But basically, this is you turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yeah, so you turn it on and you have to listen to that, but you can Bluetooth in. So if you're playing on your music on your phone, the whole purpose is that you sing and then the music plays through this speaker and then you sing along to it. But sometimes what I do is I'll put on karaoke on my TV and then I'll just sing like this because this is a mic in and of itself. So I'll just sing like whatever, maybe like Akon. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, cause I got you. And then you can obviously change the volume so it's low to high. And then what's cool is that it has like a thing called remix, which is really like a reverb kind of thing. So listen, watch, it's cool. It's like an echo. Hello? 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 So yeah, that's fun. And I definitely get carried away. And whenever my friends come over or whenever I go to my friend's house, I will like bring this. Not every time, not for every friend, but yeah, I'll just kind of like be that annoying person who be like, let's sing or like do karaoke because I love music and I love to sing. I love to play music. I love karaoke. So yeah. Okay, my last favorite. I feel like maybe I've also spoken about this in my home office favorites, but you guys, this is an everyday essential and I want to mention it again. This is the HOKEKI footrest, and I use this every single day when I'm working because it just gives me that support that I desperately need when you're sitting at your desk for like 9 hours a day working. And I love it because it's made out of memory foam. It's not too big. You can definitely like store it really easily. And it's got like a washable zipper cover like this, and you just undo it and you can see it's foam underneath. But yeah, not much else to say. This is definitely an Amazon favorite because I use it every single day and I absolutely love it. It's very comfortable, very supportive, and it definitely makes those long days at your desk easier. All right, everybody, and that was it for this roundup of my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below what your must-haves from Amazon are, and I will definitely check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, please. And hopefully I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!